morning guys, namaste and welcome back to other vlog. So today's plan is the last day of my New York trip. So I'm just casually going to B&H store, camera store. So I would like to buy some bags, some bag for the camera so that I can keep my stuff, because every time I cannot carry the big bag. So what I'm doing is that I'm trying to buy a small bag so that when I'm in trips I can keep the big bag here and carry just a camera and lens in the bag. And overall that's a very big store, camera store, and I would like to see it from the day I actually saw it on the online. In the evening I got a flight at 7 o'clock back to NC. Today is a chill day and it's a very cool weather. Maybe I'll just roam around the camera store, and if possible we'll go to a building. And that's it for today. And I got my coffee, I'm having it. So catch you on the other side. We have reached the B&H. Now we'll go buy something or just see. We'll do some window shopping. If it's in budget, we'll do some shopping. So that's it guys. So I got a bag and an LD filter. I think we are good to go. It was very crazy and a very big shop. If you are a photographer, you need to definitely visit that place. It's crazy. It feels like I need to buy everything. As usual, we are getting late for the flight. It's 4:30 and I need to be in the airport by 6:30. But I'll make sure that I'll pack things up. How many times ever I try, this is not going to happen. So that's my home. And we are good to go. And, this is the last time I'm seeing this view. I really had a great time all the time when I was here. And I'm missing New York. So guys, we have finally made it. So I was lucky, we still got an hour, so I was lucky there was no traffic. I think now we are flying back to NC. Guys, I was just curious that how much my bag weighs, and shockingly it is the 24 lb. I think it is 12 kgs. I don't know, maybe it will be around like 6 to 7 kgs, and I am like going bonkers. So that's why I took the small bag. I think from now I'll stay comfort and things will be okay. So that's it guys. So I'm finally back in North Carolina. It was a 4 hours flight. I got a 1 hour layover. And I tried my level best to capture the things, but it was too cloudy there and I did not get any good sceneries, and after that it was dark. As you can see guys, there were so many flights flying. It's like a bus stand nowadays. Before I was flying, I saw at least 10 to 15 flights flying here and there. It's like for every minute there is a flight landing. Why I'm saying this is because if these many people are traveling, so I definitely believe that even you got an opportunity, not only by vlogging, you can travel by any kind of mean. I can see people traveling here and there, so figure out a thing that makes you travel if you are interested. I really was crazy guys back in India. This is not common, and these are like buses keep on moving and flights are just taking away, and it was a crazy experience. I really enjoyed New York and I'm thankful for my family who have supported me there. I think even you have enjoyed the New York vlogs. So I'm back to NC now, so I'll take a day off. Maybe the next vlog we will figure out going somewhere. I'll take 2 days rest, and we'll be back on some other new adventure. So for that, stay tuned. So hello, good morning guys, namaste and welcome back to other vlog. So today's plan is a very interesting one. So I'm doing a road trip to Dallas from North Carolina. So day before yesterday I came from New York. I just took a day rest, and this guy, my friend Abhishek. So he's my college mate back in India when we were studying BTech. Yesterday evening he said suddenly that we'll do a road trip to Dallas, and I said why not, we'll do it. And now we are going from North Carolina. It's 1800 miles, so it is going to take 24 hours of journey. I'm very pumped up. So I'm thinking to do interesting facts about Dallas. Maybe I'll also go and cover Austin because I have few more friends over there. So I'll do some interesting facts about Dallas and Austin. In that way I can make this video informative. So that's it guys. As of now, if there is anything very interesting on the road or on this road trip, I'll definitely put in the video. Hope you will enjoy it. So catch you on the other side. So guys, we have completed the drive for 5 hours and we covered like 550 miles. Isn't it, bro? 550 miles? How many miles did you cover? 450 miles. So 450 miles in 5 hours. So now we have stopped for refilling the petrol. But luckily we found a Chipotle restaurant. I am very happy. So now we are going to have something. That's it guys, we are done with a wonderful meal. I could not show you because there was no battery for the DSLR, so I was charging when I was eating. So now we are going to fill the gas and then we are back on the track. So guys, it's time for some interesting facts about Dallas, and I found some few interesting facts about Dallas. Let me go through some of the stuff. So it says that Dallas is the 9th largest city in the USA, and it has a population of like 12 lakhs 81,047 people. In internet it says that annually like 24.9 million people visit the city, and 48.9 million people visit the city and the metro area, or you can call the downtown. And it says that it has like 30,000 hotel rooms all over the Dallas, and I think that's a huge number. Yeah, if you're in US, you know there is a gas station which is called 7-Eleven. That gas station was mainly found in this area. So 7-Eleven, it's a gas station and a grocery store. So guys, I have figured out 4 more interesting facts. So the first one is it's the biggest financial sector in USA. So it has more than 100 major banks in the Dallas city. And the second one is it has the biggest library center, and they have like 15 libraries all around the city. And the third one is that they take the professional sports very seriously, and they say that Super Bowl was mainly taken seriously here, and the name was mainly invented in Dallas. And the fourth one is the main financial strength for the Dallas is the cotton business, and later is the oil business, which is from the surrounding farms. So that's it guys, those are the few interesting facts about Dallas. Now we'll continue with the road trip. Stay tuned. guys, that's it. We have finally reached the Dallas, and it was my longest trip till now. So we have covered 1200 miles in 21 hours, which is like 1800 kilometers. So this is the longest stretch which I have covered in my life, and it was a very great experience, and we did not felt that much tired, and we enjoyed a lot. But the only thing I was missing was it was a straight road, but back in India you have curves, and it was more alive, but it has its own beauty. So after visiting so many cities, this is what actually I wanted, and luckily my friend came like a god and he helped me, and you should really appreciate that guy. He only drove all the way. It's a successful road trip, and finally we are alive. So that's it. So take care, bye bye, keep moving.